Baking with what the nature gives us. We have been baking for almost 200 years according to this philosophy, which is particularly important today. My name is Jochen Baier. I'm a master baker and master confectioner and co-founder of the National Bakery Team of Germany. For 2 times I won the World Championship of Bakers and I was honored as the World Baker of the Year 2018. I am the owner of the Baier Bakery in Herrenberg. I lead our family business in the 6th generation. Much has changed since the company was founded in 1835. But what has remained is the passion for fine, high quality and premium baked goods. At Baier we still see baking as a craft in the best sense of the word. Honest and local. We prefer raw materials from the region. For us, the quality of our baked goods begins at the fields. All the grain from one of the oldest organic farms in Baden-Württemberg. When Johann Friedrich Baier founded the Baier Bakery in 1835, there were 2 types of bread and small baked goods. Today we have between 25 to 30 different types of bread in our bakery. In my bakery we are using a dough divider from Handtmann. I love the hygienic design, the great flexibility and the gentle dividing system. The Handtmann is a great help for us.